Brock here, and today we're going to be looking at the air conditioner right here. There's nothing wrong with the air conditioner, but we're going to turn it on, and we're going to see what it's like from the outside. So, we're doing that because it takes a while to turn on, so let's do it. Alright, so we press cool, and then set it all at 10. Once that goes like completely green, like stops flashing, it'll turn on, and that takes approximately 5 minutes. So yeah, while we're waiting, let's go around and have a look at the air conditioner. I tried filming this video an hour ago actually, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. So yeah, there's the air conditioning up there, there's the air conditioner up there. Yeah. I don't even know what that thing's for, I don't even know. But we can set, and yeah, sure, we'll check the mailbox, okay, Finn, while we're waiting. Do a bit of a vlog, I suppose. I think you could see it from the outside of here as well. I mean, yeah, there's mail in there. I'll get that later. I just want to film this video first. I think you can see it from the other side of the house. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it. There it is. Alright, we're gonna get across now. We might as well take this in. It takes about 5 minutes, maybe about 2. I'll be back. Just check the mail. All this will like wrinkle up and like it's foil or something. Still going. There we go. Come over here, Finn. We need no, stay there. We're gonna shut the gate. We need to do all this before the air conditioning goes on, so I want to make this video. Alright, let's wait. Any minute now. I don't even know why this takes forever. It's an old house. Built in the 70s, probably 60s. It's been about 4 minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes. That includes the pauses and all that. But yeah, I'll show you the inside of it as well. Alright. Any second now. That's a bus. Alright, 5 minutes. Or maybe it's 6, but that wasn't it. There's Oreo down there. Or the air conditioner's about to turn on. There she is. No, I want to capture this. I think it's 6 minutes actually. I heard something. No, that wasn't it. The flies are ridiculous. And I live in Australia, so it makes it probably worse, I don't know. I don't like flies. Which is why when I'm older I'm moving out to a cooler place, a colder place. There it is. There it is, 6 minutes. 6.5 minutes it takes. Alright, now we're going to turn it on from the inside. That's amazing. See how it stopped flashing? That means it's on. But let's turn it off. See how it makes that crinkling sound? Now, let's turn it on again. I don't want to get in trouble with anyone. Watch this. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. I don't want to get in trouble with anyone for playing with the switches or anything, because I was told not to press this button right here, the exhaust, because apparently the house might blow up or something. I don't even believe that. So anyway guys, I hope you have a nice day, and if you made it into this far into the video, I'm doing a Home Alone special, so it's going to be called Honey Alone, so tune in for that. Alright, goodbye.